So when we talk about technological impacts on the AE industry, obviously generative AI and AI in general is front and center these days. You can't read anywhere these days without running into generative AI in some shape or form, and that certainly is going to play a key role in the AE industry. Generative design, generative AI in design, things like computer vision, things like predictive analytics and Internet of Things within building components, all of those are front and center these days, and certainly being driven by artificial intelligence and that type of technology. And we're going to see that, continue to explode in the years to come. So I think one of the big trends that firms in this industry really need to keep an eye on is better alignment between their technology strategy and their business strategy. Historically, I think these have been looked at in a more sort of separate way. And given the impact that things like artificial intelligence has on the business world, things like machine learning and related types of capabilities, and some of the other emerging technologies that, quite frankly, we might not even know yet, the impact that those are having on businesses, especially in this industry, is making it far more important to have your business strategy aligned with your technology strategy, because they're more closely tied than they've ever been. It may be a little bit cliche to say these days, but data is the new oil. And the better data you have, the more data you have, the more comprehensive your data is in terms of your project information and how you've delivered your projects and all of those types of things. That data is going to drive future AI capabilities. So having a single solution that serves that entire project lifecycle and getting all of the data from that entire project lifecycle in one spot is going to make you more capable down the road from an AI perspective, because Deltek is going to continue to look at ways to apply artificial intelligence and machine learning to that data set. And the more complete and more comprehensive it is, the more you're going to get out of that AI technology in the future as well. We're looking to embed capabilities that are artificial intelligence and machine learning in nature throughout our solutions, so they're easier to use, so that they are more predictive and more capable of driving data-driven decisions within firms, and really giving all the decision makers in an organization the right data at the right time to make the right decisions. So again, I think cloud-based computing or cloud-based delivery and project management tools and that integrated AI capability is two of the key things that I think Deltek's solution set bring to the table in this industry. I think one of the things that excites me the most, and I think definitely has an impact in the industry, is this whole digital assistant concept and the agent concept that's born out of generative AI, and equipping architects and engineers and project managers with that type of capability is going to be huge in just making them better at their jobs, making them more aware of how their jobs are going, and having the ability to have a conversation with their ERP solution or their project management tool to find out how their projects are doing, to learn what might be important to their clients and things that they need to pay close attention to. I think is going to be a game changer when it comes to project management capability.